Task 4 Speaking Production. Hello, teacher Juan Camilo. My name is Diana Marcela Castañeda, studying Health Administration in Livet, Neiva.
Hello, Diana.
Hello?
Can I ask you some questions?
Yes.
Okay. Where are you going to travel?
Going mid-April.
What city place you visit?
The North Coast.
Where are you going to study?
We are renting an apartment.
Where are you going to wear?
Dresses, slippers, and hat.
Who are you going to invite on the trip?
My parent, my sister, and me down there.
What activities will you do on the place?
Visit beach, see place, and go to Sian.
Okay. How much money are you going to spend there?
Approximately 2 millions.
Will you bring any souvenir for your vacation?
Yes, a hat, a hair, and candy. Thank you.